Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be a breakdown on a GU trade that I took during Asia. Just going to let it play out, and then I'll come back to you with a breakdown and explain why I took it. Speak to you in a bit. This is going to be a breakdown on the trade you just saw on pound dollar. So let's get stuck into it. So to a lot of people, this might seem like a bit of a random entry. You know, we're pushing bearish. Why would you take longs and what have you? But let's just break it down. Just have to keep my eyes on EU because it's EU short as well, which is dropping at the moment. I'm break even on this, but yeah, we just ran all this liquidity and then we started dropping. I'm hoping we just fill this imbalance and start pushing, but we'll see. So let's get into the breakdown. It's going to be quite a quick one, to be honest. So bias. Why was I bullish? And so basically, the reason I was bullish is because this is a daily imbalance up here, and since we tapped that daily imbalance, we've just been pushing bearish. And at this point, we've taken out this liquidity right here, and I was looking for price to come and take out the opposing liquidity, which was this high. This high to me didn't do anything. It was just literally a breaker structure, a retrace, and then another breaker structure. So this looked like clear liquidity for me to target, and I didn't expect this high to hold, so I was expecting it to be liquidity. So that's why I was bullish. Simple as that, really. The entry, if I'm bullish, then I'm expecting strong lows to hold. So we had a strong low, we had a weak high, price came down, took out all of this internal range liquidity, and then we pushed up and we came and took this high. So I'm looking at this as two ranges. So I'm looking at this strong low, but also I'm curious about this, because this could get taken and then we drop into there and then go. But to be honest with you, I took the first entry and it played out. If it didn't, then I probably, if I was about, I may have looked for the second entry down here. So yeah, but I took it from this one because mainly because on the 1 minute I saw the liquidity, I saw the build up of liquidity and thought, okay, if this is going to be the move, then there's a good chance that we go from here. So once we took out this, we had this 5 minute imbalance in here, and I took it as we came in, stops below the strong low, targeting the high up here. And the reason I didn't target more is because this Asia session normally becomes liquidity during Frankfurt and London. So I just I try not to get too greedy with these trades during Asia, and that was it really. EU is not looking too good. It's not looking great. I would have liked to see it push, but it's got to respect this low, to be honest, for us to keep driving up. If it doesn't respect this low, I'm probably going to take a break even on it. But that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a like on the video, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.